We are pleased to show you the 2006 MPV. The MPV, multi-purpose vehicle in a minivan manufactured by Mazda. Over 1 million MPV have been produced over the years with various drive options available. Compared with most minivans, the Mazda MPV is a sports car. It's lighter and more compact, making it more agile and easier to park. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, child seat anchors, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.